Steak?
Bulldog steak. Ito ni Kuya yan. Tikman mo. Patikin mo kay Marius. Bulldog steak. Luto ni Kuya. Christmas tree. Which one do you want? Ano gusto mo, Matthew? Come here. Come here. Oh, yung turo. Yung gusto mo. Alin ang gusto mo?
I want that.
Eh, how about this one?
No.
Why you don't like that?
That's too big.
Oh, it's too big for you. Eh, how about this one? This one na lang. Oh, this one. You like this one? This one? Is this beautiful? It's not beautiful? It's beautiful. Oh, this one, the small one. Is it beautiful? Oh, it's not beautiful.
It's not big. It's beautiful. The small is beautiful.
Okay. Reality. Expectations versus reality. Day 4, Vlogmas. Vlogmas 2024. Today is day 4. And look at our tree. It's so pretty, no? But I still have to arrange that. It's too... How do you... Parang it's so symmetrical, if that's the term that I'm looking for. But I don't... kasi diba, parang naka-center yung malaki. So, pagpapalitin ko yung mas maliit. Basta, I'm gonna fix that later, probably. Look, ang ganda tingnan, ano?
Okay, bye!
Naka-brief ka lang eh. Galing sa school si Siko eh. Asan ka? Let me show you. Ano iwa-watch mo?
I want to watch it.
Super Rescue Team. Bawal mag-work si Mami.
No.
Watch ka lang.
Yes.
Watch on.
Si Mommy.
Paano mag-work si Mami kung mag-watch ikaw?
Mommy.
Ha?
Betty.
Oh, alis na dyan. Ayos, sige, sa setup na ni Mami. Excuse me. Okay.
Where's my super rescue?
Where's your police car? Where did you put your police car? Where? Ano, naiwan mo sa baba?
Yeah.
O, akin na yan muna. Iwanan mo muna yan dito bago ka pumunta sa baba. Akin na yan. Iwan mo dyan yan, oh. O, sige, kunin mo sa baba, ha?
No.
Sino kukuha?
I will do the monsters on the baba.
Ha? There's monster sa baba?
Yes.
Wala. Si Nanay lang ang nandun.
Huh?
Si Nana.
Can my business card?
Oh, you get your police car.
No, can
Oh,
my...
no, you ask Sangko. Sangko. Si Sangko. Pakuha mo kay Sangko.
I have the dinosaur.
Steak? Bulldog steak. Ito ni Kuya yan. Tikman mo. Patikin mo kay Marius. Bulldog steak. Luto ni Kuya.
Huwag yan. Masarap yan.
Oh, shit. Ang bango. Oh my God, ba't ang bango?
May manok din yan.
Oh, good. Ay, grabe naman. Anong luto to? Oh, shucks.
Sarap, no?
Grabe naman. Eh, manghang to, di ba?
Oh. Unti lang yung cheese. Marami kong nila.
Oh, let me try it. Oh.
May manok. Sarap yung manok.
Oo nga. Kita makapala. Malaki yung...
Kasali yung isang bulldog.
Ano nga ang sarap? Ano nga ang sarap? Ano nga ang sarap? Grabe ang sarap. Ang sarap na yung Kuya. Grabe ang sarap yung anghang. Sarap yung anghang. Kulang sa anghang sa'yo yan. Timawa ka sa anghang eh. Wala lang sa'yo yan. Masarap ng manok, Kuya.
Kasi yung paminta.
Masarap. Masarap ng manok. I'm gonna go back to my office space. Ito talagang original ng office space ko. So, I'll go back here na, Matthew. My office, I'll put my office back here, ha? Okay? Now I'm back to my old pwesto. Mari, sinaan mo yan? Pagod na linis. You know, let's start working. Where's my is my notebook. So, this is my planner. This is an old Starbucks planner. This is... Maris, sinama mo yan, anak?
Gusto ni Matthew.
No, this is 2002 pa yata ito na. It's okay, baby. I'm so... Narinig nyo yun? I'm sorry. Sabi niya. 2002, 2020. It's okay, baby. Pagkatapos si Mami mag-video, pwede mo nalakasan. Come here, love. Anong tawag dito? 2024, 2023, last year. 2022. This is 2022 Starbucks planner. And what I do with this is, tinanggal ko lang yung mga papers.
Bye, guys.
Tinagyan ko lang siya ng fillers. Ayan. May nabibili kasi online na divider. Ganito. Ayan. Tapos, yung papel na kasya dito, I'm not so sure if A6 yung tawag. 6 holes A6 kasi 6 holes siya. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda dito na part ay, kasi yung papel ng Starbucks, puti siya. Ayoko ng puti na papel. Nahirapan ako magsulat doon. Itong nabili ko na na filler ay kulay, siya, teka. Kulay, cream siya. And it comes, tama ba? It comes. Pwede rin may iba din kulay. May green. Tapos, ay, wala dito yung iba.
That's not for Daddy. That is my cake, Mommy.
Here. Ayan, meron din siyang craft.
That is my cake,
Ito yung favorite ko.
It's my cake, Mommy.
That's your cake? Yes, baby. That is your cake. That is your cake. O, kita niyo yung Goldilocks cake na pinictorial namin kagabi. Ayan. Ito yung favorite ko na part. Tama ba? Yes, kasi ito yung may to-do list. So, ito yung, hi, baby. Ito yung, very useful sa akin itong, kasi, nakabuka lang siya. Kita ko ba sa inyo yung listahan ko today? Ano ba ngayon? Wednesday, yeah. Walang laman. Ayan. See, nakaganyan siya. Sa harapan ko pala. At least kita ko, ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin, ano yung nagawa ko na. Matthew! What?
I love you to Siko.
Sabi niya? Matthew, what will you say to mommy?
I mean, what did you say to
Matthew, what will you say to mommy?
I love you.
I love you too. Okay, Siko, what will you say to your Siko? I love you, Siko. Good night na. Come here. You say good night here. Good night here to the camera. Come here. Good night to the vlog. Matthew, bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Ayusin mo. See you tomorrow. Come here. Lapit dito. Lapit dito.
So, I'm the monster. It's Cherry Dough and two ponies. They're so big, horrible. Not so big. And little. That's so scary of the horribles. I'll get all this. I arrest him, Mommy.
You arrest him?
Yes.
Why? Anong kasalanan niya?
Coming and he's roaring. Roar!
Oh! Naantok na ako, pero ito mamaya pa ito matutulog. Kakanta pa ito ng kakanta.
Ako din.
Si Matt. Uy, hindi no. Ang bilis mo makatulog eh. Si Marius natuto. Mabilis makatulog yan eh.
It's because
Anyways.
school.
Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Close eyes na kayong dalawa ha.
Good night.
Balik na ako.
Good night, everybody.
Galit na si Mom.
Good night!
Bye-bye na. Bye.
Good night! Good night!
Good night.
Para! And so I eat some grapes.
You eat some grapes? You're so hungry, so you eat some grapes?
Yes.
Oh, now, are you still hungry?
That video?
Yeah.